Welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand is a raw ice cookers and warmer. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this pot, they are about like 17 inches in the diameters. And the overall height, they are about like 12.5 inches tall. So as we can see the units, they come in with the controllers at the front, the starter, and also having the lights to showing you the machine is running. And also they do come in from the manufacturer accessories, the rice cup and the spoon. Units also using the standard 110 plugs right here. And we can take a look closer to see the pole dimensions. Let me give you the dimensions right here. The inner side pole dimensions will be 14.5 inches diameters. And the depth will be about like 6 inches. Also, we have the measurements to showing you here on the stickers. They give you the information to showing you how many liters cups they will make from this pot. Also, at the bottom of the units, you will see a sanitation stickers from the ETL and the NSF. They do come in with the cut sheets information on it using the 110 powers and the 6-hertz single phase. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.